Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'll be taking over my mum's YouTube channel and we're making paneer masala. As you can see, we have brought paneer from our local supermarket. And the ingredients that we'll be using for today is ginger and garlic, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, chilli powder and curry powder, as well as red chilli, coriander and onions. So first we'll put some oil into a pan. Then add our onions in and let that simmer. Make sure to add salt and that helps soften the onions quickly. Give that a stir until it turns slightly brown. Then we'll be adding our ginger and garlic together. Mix that in. Once that's slightly brown, I'm going to give that a mix again. Make sure that it doesn't burn. We'll be adding all of our spices in now, starting off with the cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric curry powder and red chilli powder. We're going to be mixing all of our spices together to make sure they're incorporated properly. We're going to let the spices fuse in together. We're going to add a little bit of water to the spice and keep stirring it. After some time, our spices should turn into a paste like this. Keep stirring. Now we'll be getting our paneer ready. In a separate pan, slightly fry some of our paneer and make sure they're separated from each other. Once they're slightly toasted, we're gonna mix them together, give them a shuffle, and we'll be adding that into the paste that we have made already. And this is the masala. So as you can see, that's all ready, and we're going to add in the paneer. The paneer has softened, but we're going to mix all the mixture together. Let the spice and the masala get into the paneer. Mix it all properly and let that simmer for 5 minutes. Then we'll be adding the garnish. We've added coriander and red chilies and green chilies. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care.